So, does TikTok still tell you who views your profile? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guide Bimal. In today's guide video, we will simply discuss some of the ways whether or not we can figure out if someone views our profile or if we view someone's profile on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you're talking about whether or not if you're confused that TikTok lets somebody know when you've viewed their profile, the answer is probably yes, but under one strict condition, and that is your privacy setting. You have to enable both of the profile views in both of the accounts that you are using, which means that if I just go ahead and then launch a TikTok application and I log into my account, I view somebody else's profile. If this person has profile views turned on, and if I also have my profile views turned on and enabled, this person is going to get notified that I basically viewed their profile. But on another occasion, let's say I viewed their profile, but one of us do not have our profile views options enabled, which means either I have turned it off or either they have turned it off, only one person has it turned on and the other person do not have it turned on. Well, in that case, no one is going to get notified that you have basically viewed their profile, which means that if I come to my profile page, you can see the slippery icon on the top right. Once you tap on it, you can see profile views. In my case, I have turned off profile views. That is why you're seeing the turn on profile view history, which means that I'm not going to get notified if somebody else views my profile. In a result, I'll also not be able to let others know that I have viewed their profile. But if you turn it on, people who have turned on profile views will get notified that you have viewed their profile. And similarly, as I said earlier, this needs to work both parties. Only one person having this feature turned on is not going to work. So hopefully this video cleared a confusion as to how you can turn on profile views and this still lets you know if you viewed someone's profile or not. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.